Let's make half double crochet. For half double crochet, we have already made a chain. We will wrap the yarn and work in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2 and 3. Insert the hook in the third chain. Pull the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. You will wrap the yarn over the hook, pull through all 3 loops at once, and this is how we will make half double crochet. Again, yarn over, go in the next chain, insert the hook, pull the yarn, again 3 loops on the hook, wrap the yarn over the hook, pull through all 3 loops at once. Again we have made a half double crochet, yarn over, next chain, insert the hook, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, wrap the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. This is how we are going to make half double crochets.